Hello everyone, my name is Marvin Tulyong and I am from Balili, La Trinidad, Benguet.
Hello everyone, I am Isaac Teretzel Pialaga. I am from Mayuyaw, Ifugao.
Hello everyone, I'm Setri James Tagok. I am from Parasalis Mountain Province.
Question natin sa lahat na to, why did you join Ginoong Cordillera?
Yeah, I did join Ginoong Cordillera because it is aiming for leadership and community service, and that is my value as a Ginoo of the Cordillera.
I am here to represent my province and to use this as a platform to share my advocacy.
I'm I also joined Ginong Cordillera to have the opportunity to speak out the voices of young peoples around Cordillera.
Since ito yung malapit na yung closed door nyo, paano kayo nag-prepare for the question and answer? Ikaw.
We were told that it would be personal questions, so I just tried my best to think of what kind of questions they would give me and formulate my answers from there.
Kaya ano naman, this is your first local
Yes, it's my first
division.
pageant.
Ano yung parang reason mo to experience this industry or niche?
Actually, I do modeling on the sides, and pageantry is something similar, but pageantry has advocacy in it. So, talagang I really thought about it, I prayed about it, and I think I have a purpose here. That's why I really joined Ginoong Cordillera.
Parang how young are you?
I'm actually 19 years old.
19 years old, that too young at your age. Do you think that's advantage for you to win this competition?
Yes, it's actually an advantage for me to win this competition and also a step um, for my future goals, especially on the line of project.
Eto, last question ko. Medyo tricky to, pero I hope masagot nyo. Since nagkita-kita kayo today, at alam ko nagsama na rin kayo last sa mga events nyo, if ever we have a last 2 months standing sa mga kasama nyo for Coronation Night, sino to at bakit?
Para mas maganda sila muna yung una.
Sige, si ano wala.
So,
Sino sa mga candidate yung parang feeling mo mga kasama mo sa
um, so actually, yung gusto kong makasama or if I will be provided 2 months actually is si Ginoong Sagada. So since for me to help establish a friendship with him also as a band of brothers also.
How about si Pigaw?
Honestly, I don't really mind who I'm with for 2 months because they all seem friendly and fun to be with.
Anyone?
Ako, Mr. Sugar Tauli, Sagada, Mountain Province because magkasama kami sa agency and we've grown together, we attended training together, so talagang andun yung brotherhood. But I am hoping that with the other brothers that I have here, we will be able to establish a deeper relationship din.
Okay. Invite them to watch your coronation night. Go.
Hi everyone, we are inviting you to watch our Grand Coronation Night on October 18. That will be on Saturday at Benguet Sports Complex. So sana supportan niyo po kaming lahat. We are excited to see you and we are excited to show you yung preparation namin and yung heart namin for the Cordillera.
And your social medias, paano nila ma-reach yung mga social medias mo? Your social medias, name mo sa social media mo to
Well,
follow.
you can find my Facebook. My name is Isaac Teretzel Alaga. I have 5 accounts, but you can choose the brown one.
How about si
So my Facebook, I actually use a Facebook under Set Yano Tagok and also on my TikTok, CJ Skill.
Yeah, you can follow me on social media. My Facebook is Marvin. My Instagram is Marvinstagram and my TikTok is Marvin TikTok.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations. Good luck sa inyo later.